who remember this setting? We are back to our normal life. Hi faves, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. You guys, I just finished getting my workout in and I'm jumping right into school with Tyler because we still have school going on around here. So that's what we're doing.
And Papa is
today.
already working.
Oh yeah, Papa is already in the office and Sarah is over there watching the TV and playing by herself while everybody do their own thing. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated. Say hello to the faves.
Hello.
Hello, faves. Today we are doing R and S and Z. That's Z.
Z.
Yeah, Z. Okay, and then W. Anyway, you guys, we're gonna get into activities. A lot to do around here. Here's a sneak peek of what I did this morning for workout. Make sure you guys are staying active and continue to stay safe, and if you have to go out, wear your mask while you're out of your car. Anyway, you guys, catch up and keep up. Subscribe if you're new to the fan bell, and we'll see you guys throughout the rest of the vlog with the rest of the fan bell. Remember this setting? We are back to our normal life. This setting, oh how I miss this setting. We're on the road, guys. We're on the road. Oh, don't worry, we have our mask to put on when we get out of the car. But let me just tell you how hot it is in France. My God. Well, in this part of France, very hot. Oh my gosh, it's 26 degrees Celsius right now, and it was 29 when we came in the car. Man, it's burning up, and I still see some people in sweater and long sleeve. Like, what? Impossible.
Hi guys, good morning everybody. It's hot,
burning hot. We're with the kids. We go into the fruits and vegetable supermarket.
We're trying to go back to normal stuff.
Normal routine. Tyler, I'm talking. You wait.
It's important to
try to get back into routine.
So trying to avoid busy time and just be careful. I mean, not leave the kid in the car. Stay with them in the car, but to go back to regular
kind of normal routine. Yeah, so the kids are here. Tyler is there. Ah, wait, what is it?
I want to do the picture that have a dress with a scarf like that. We can be cold.
No, it's hot to dress with a scarf right now. So Sarah is there. You guys will see her in a bit, and I'm sure she's gonna take a nap right now. So the plan is to go to the fruit and vegetable supermarket, which I haven't gone to in over 3 months or probably more. Baby's gonna stay in the car with the kids, but let me just tell you how hot it is, y'all. It's hot. I'm sure Sarah gonna take a nap, so I'm sure we're gonna park underground where it's cool for her. And she's gonna
is another
nap right about now. Anyway, you guys, I am wearing my glasses from Style and Glam, and I'm also wearing my necklace from Style and Glam. Make sure you guys go and follow Style and Glam on Instagram and go and check out styleandglam.com. Anyway, you guys, so I'm wearing my Style and Glam accessories today. It's my really first time out. Well, it's our first time out as a family, no? Is it? I think so. Like really out. Anyway, you guys, the road looks
pretty normal. A lot of cars out, people getting back to normal life, and people working. Construction is going on, just to give you guys an idea of what the atmosphere is like. But yeah, everything is kind of going back to normal life, shawty, you guys. And if you're wondering about my hair, I have in clip-ins, because I know probably some of you gonna ask, what you have in your hair? I have in some clip-ins. Yes, your girl is trying to get back to her normal self. Okay, you guys, so this is me, my new normal. Mask up and things. Let's go. And here is pretty empty though. Alright, my first stop is the international section. I've been wanting to make coconut drops, so I think I'm gonna take some coconut. I think I want 2 coconut. I'm gonna attempt to make coconut drops. Mango is so expensive, so I don't want any. Sweet potato, to have the white ones. I'm not a fan of those. Plantain and ginger. I'll take a few plantains, not much. I've cut back on planting so much. And I want banana. Oh, I see melon. Let's take a slice of melon. I remember gone are the days you used to lick your finger to scoop in a bag. Hey! Try to that now, you get frig. Strawberries. Tyler will be happy for strawberries, so I'm gonna take one of these. No, not that one. That one doesn't look so well. This one looks good. Voila. And oh, they have prettier melon here, so I'm gonna take this melon instead. This looks better. A corn. Yes, that's what I love about this supermarket. It has everything. I'm gonna take one of these, or probably 2, because I eat a lot of tomato. You see me? Mask on. Wait. Sanitizing. I'm paranoid with my sanitizer.
You have the water, Mama.
And the magic word is?
Please.
Qu'est-ce qu'il veut?
Water. Below. Here.
Peekaboo.
Alright, so let's go home.
She's sleeping.
She didn't move. She's tired.
No, honestly, maybe
This is everybody in the store. Every single person. Whew.
everybody was a mess.
Everybody.
It's a mess now.
Hey, up, up. Yes. Look at Mama. Hi. Hi. We are back. And I'm going to show you real quick what I got from our fruits and vegetable store. Tyler is taking a nap right now, so it's only me. Baby's outside putting on laundry. So it's just me. Just going to show you guys real quick. And the reason why we enjoy going to our fruits and vegetable store is because 1, it's cheaper there. 2,
we get super fresh things, and 3, we get to budget better when we go to the fruits and vegetable store and then separate to go to the grocery store. All right, so what I got there, I got spinach, which I've been trying to find at the other supermarket for a while and I can't, but I know I would get it here. And I got mash, which is one of my favorite salads to eat, so one of my favorite vegetables to eat. I got some scallion, and it's summer, so ta-da! I got melon, yes, and I got thyme, which the only time I could get at the other supermarket was dry thyme, and and it's just a small piece for very expensive, at a very expensive rate, so I like to buy my thyme at this place. I got bananas, ripe bananas, and oh, look what is back. Fried plantain, ripe plantain, not fried plantain, ripe plantain. But I'm trying to cut back on the lot of plantain frying that I eat, but who can resist plantain? So I got just a few. I got green beans, I got corn to cook, I got apple, and I got 2 cucumber. So now I'll be able to go back to do my fresh fruits and vegetable shopping every week or every other week. Okay. Uh-oh, my tomato turned out in the bag. These tomatoes are much cheaper than the other place that I used to go. I got some strawberries. Okay, let me show you the tomato. So this is a tomato that I got. Let me show you them. Ta-da! And I got 2 packs of these. So that's good. I didn't like the sweet peppers, the sweet potatoes that I see is the white sweet potato, and I like the orangish looking sweet potato. Look what I got. Dry coconut. And the reason why I buy dry coconut, because I'm gonna make something that you guys have to wait and see. Comment down below and guess and tell me what you think that I'm going to make. Got some really nice big avocado, which I regret that I didn't buy. But when I go back there next week, I'm going to make sure I pick it up, and then I get some zucchini. So yeah, that's everything that I got at this fruits and vegetable store. I didn't really want anything else, or whatever else that I see it is more cheaper at the other store. So hey, you got a budget and know where you're getting the things and know how to buy your things. So in the kitchen making dinner. Well, I finished made dinner, and I'm just showing you guys what I made for dinner because I didn't take you guys through the process of dinner. So this is what dinner is looking like for tonight. I'm coming, Tyler. Sit, it's dinner time. I'm coming. For dinner today, I made quinoa, green beans, and fish for Babe and I. And then I made quinoa, cordon bleu. Cordon bleu is turkey with cheese in the middle, and green beans for Tyler. You come to see or play after all, cried Peppa. Of course I did, Peppa, said Father Christmas. It's very good. Do you really go all around the world in one night? Asked Wendy Wolf. Yes, replied Father Christmas, with my magic sleigh and reindeers. Please, can we see your sleigh? Asked Pedro Pony. I'm sure Father Christmas is a bit too busy to show us his sleigh, said Madame Gazelle. It's true. I am very busy, but of course you can see my sleigh, said Father Christmas. Come outside, everyone. Merry Christmas!
It's finished.
Say night night to face, Stella.
Night, night.
Say night night, it's time for bed. Say night night. Say night night.